So I don't know about you guys, when you buy your drone, you usually just have one drone, but some of us have 2 or 3. Now you can see that I've got even more drones in these bags. But sometimes when you take out 2 or 3 drones, you have to take 2 or 3 drone bags, and then you've got a bag for your camera equipment, and it gets too much. So what do? You get rid of these. Just get rid of these, guys. You don't need them, guys. So what you get, guys, get a backpack. That's what you need. Now I got this from K&F Concept. It's a 25-litre bag. It's called the K&F Concept Alpha Bag. You get, I think you get 3 different sorts of colours. I've got the black one. Now at the moment it's empty, nice and light, but pretty sturdy. You also get a rain cover as well, so when you go out, if it's raining. And I thought what I'll do at the moment, I'll just show you. I can't believe so many entrances on this bag. I'm just trying to find, there it is. So there's the one that gets you inside the bag. So you can put your key rings on there, you can put your phone in there, you can put other accessories. Like I said, I could fit in my landing pad in there. So that's one part of it. I'll just zip that up. It's what you call a zipper bag, I think. So on the side here, now I've taken it off, but here there's a strap here so you can put in your tripod. So your tripod's there. Also, there's another entrance here. You can put in more cards, more equipment in there. Now I did keep my rain cover part in this part here. You've got the other side. Now this is an entrance into your bag. So if you wanted to arrange your bag, so say for instance you want to take your drone out quickly, or you've got your camera in there, that's all in there. So that's zipped that up. And then, I mean, the other bit I love is this top bit, because I use this bit as for all my like controllers, all my other stuff, you know, all the loose stuff, your controllers, your small cameras, things like that. And then you've got a carrying handle there as well. I don't know about you, so sometimes I don't even bother to put the straps around me, but I just carry it like that to get it out of the car quickly. So there you got your, it's all padded, pretty well padded as well, which is pretty nice. There also you can see for the plane, it fits in it's the right size to fit in the plane box as you get onto the aircraft, which will go up in the above locker. So that's another good thing about this, especially if you're travelling. At the bottom, there's another little bag there as well. Adjustable straps. You've got a crossover strap to go across your chest to keep it in nice and tight. Like I said, these are adjustable as well. Padded straps. I've been using this for a couple of weeks at the moment, because I always think it's best to go out and try these things. There's no point in getting this and then say, oh, this is the bag for you. You've got to go out and try it out. And I've been trying it out. And to be honest, this is going to be my new bag. The other bags, I don't think I'll be using them. I've just put them away in storage. But this, yeah, it's amazing. Anyway, what I'm going to show you now is what you can put in this bag. Okay, so I've got all my gear that I usually take out with me. So I've got my goggles, my controller, I've got my batteries. If you notice, I've got 3 drones there. I've got my Mini 3 Pro, my Mavic Air 2, my Mini 2. I've got my camera, my EOS 6.8D, my zoom lens, my wide angle, some wide angle lenses for my Mini 3 Pro. 3 different sorts of controllers. You're going to ask me why. That's the latest one, the RCM one. This is an older version. This is my RC screen, which I use for my Mini 3 Pro. I've got my iPad there. Now, another thing I forgot to mention, guys, inside there, I will show you when I'm packing it, is you can put a laptop in there if you wanted to. I can't believe the amount of things. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start loading this up. How that's going to work, God knows. But I'm going to show you anyway. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to start from the top part there, because I always find the top the top one is probably most useful. And this is where I'm going to put all my camera gear in. And what you do now, you lay it down on its back, or its front I should say, and you just open this up. Got 2 zips either side. Just put that over there in a minute. So another thing I forgot to show you, so this is where you would put your laptop in. It's nice and padded. I'm going to put in my iPad in there, just give it a bit of protection. So I know that's in there. So in here, these are pain, aren't they? These sticky things that you can move about. So this is going to be where I'm going to put my drones. Now, like I said before, my tripod's in my car at the moment, but I would put a tripod on this side. There's a catch there. The tripod would fit in there. So I've got all my camera gear. That's it, all in. Just shows you what you can put in a backpack. So anyway, guys, hope you found that interesting. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go outside now. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be going out every other couple of days with this bag. I'll be showing you what I put in that bag, and then out on location, me walking about with it as well, because it does look quite bulky. But yeah, let's do it. So I've got my bag packed again for another trip out. So I've got my controller from my Mavic Air. I've got my Mini 2. I've got the controller there, the RCN1. I've got some battery. I've got batteries for my Mini 2. I've got batteries for my GoPro, which I'm using at the moment. I've got my top stuff in there. I've got my microphone, all my other gears on top of that one. So it's just virtually pack it up and we're gonna hit the road. So I'm going out tonight. It's about just gone 7 in the evening. Still nice and bright here in Spain. So I've got my t-shirt. I've got my camera gear. I've got my RCN1. Got my Mini 2 tonight. I've got my microphone stuff. That's all I need. So let's get out there. So I've just come out tonight with my backpack. I'll tell you what, guys, ever so light. Anyway, thought I'd just show it to you while I'm out. Let's get on with what I was doing. A lovely location.